जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 7th chapter ज्ञान विज्ञान योगमु 6th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, this entire creation is the mixture of Jivas and Prakriti. When Jivas and Prakriti comes together, that is when this entire universe is formed. That includes even Chaturmukha Brahma and to the lowest small grass blade. All this comes under the mixture of Jivas and Prakriti. So, both Jivas and Prakriti are under my control. That means this entire universe is under my control. I am the one who originates this entire universe, and I am the one who dissolves this entire universe. I am the one who is the owner of this entire universe. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma disclosing that he is the owner of every one of us and this entire universe. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Etadhyonini bhutani sarvaniti upadharaya aham krishnasya jagataha prabhavaha pralayastadha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava श्रीमद्भागवतं नमस्कारं टु श्रीमद्भागवतं निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः। नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वतीदेवी व्यासमहर्षि नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्। In Srimad Bhagavatam, Tritiya Skandham, Sutta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Brahmasa Papa Desena, by taking an excuse that Brahmasapam is there on Yadava Vamsam, what Paramatma did is, with his great sankalpam, Paramatma samhrutya svakulam, he destroyed his own dynasty. And then he also made sure his body disappeared from this earth. With thinking all this, Paramatma also thought that if I go back to my own divine abode, then nobody knows about me here. Nobody will come to know about my divine existence. That is why, O Parikshin Narendra, Paramatma thought he has to keep Uddhava alive here on this earth. Because Uddhava is Arhati Uddhavaha Atmavatam Varaha. He is very much qualified. And he is the greatest devotee of Sri Krishna Paramatma. And he is self-realized soul. And Uddhava has a very clear understanding about Krishna Paramatma. And Uddhava has great amount of knowledge about Paramatma. Krishna Paramatma felt that Uddhava's knowledge is no less than his own knowledge. That is why Krishna Paramatma thought that I have to keep Uddhava on this earth so that he can teach about me on this earth and he can give knowledge about Paramatma to this earth. That is why Paramatma made a sankalpam that may Uddhava be here alive. Like that, Krishna Paramatma decided. O Parikshin Narendra, after all that happened, then Uddhava Badariyashramam asadhya. He went back to Badarikashramam and he started doing his tapasya, doing aradhana to Paramatma. Parikshin Narendra, Vidura also learned about Paramatma from Uddhava. Vidura learned that Sakshat Sriman Narayana came in the form of Sri Krishna, lived on this earth and disappeared. All this knowledge Vidura got from Uddhava. So, whoever gets to listen to Paramatma stories, their divine eagerness, their divine Shraddha, their Nishtha will grow. Not everybody is able to listen to Paramatma stories. Anyesham dushkarataram, those who does not have any control upon their own mind cannot listen to Paramatma stories. It is impossible for them to listen to divine stories. So, Parikshin Narendra, what Vidura has done is, while remembering Sri Krishna Paramatma again and again, Because Krishna Paramatma disappeared now, he was missing Krishna Paramatma so much. Then while recalling all memories of Krishna Paramatma, with outpouring so much of affection and devotion towards Paramatma, Dhyayan Gate Bhagavate Ruroda Prema Vihvalaha. Vidura cried so much in that banks of Yamuna. And then from there Vidura went back to Ganga Tiram, Haridwar, in the banks of Ganga Tiram, where Maitreya is there. So Vidura went back to Haridwar to meet with Maitreya. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Balamukundashtakam. Indivarasyamalakomalangam Indradidevarchitapadapadmam Santanakalpadrumamashritanam Balam Mukundam Manasa Smarami. Balam Mukundam Manasa Smarami. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 7th chapter 6th sloka. Etat yonini bhutani sarvaniti vupadharaya aham kritsnasya jagataha prabhavaha pralayastadha. Etadhyonini bhutani sarvaniti vupadharaya aham kritsnasya jagatah prabhavah pralayastadha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.